Nature doesn't design for us, it experiments.
Hunted.
In 1948, in the Gobi Desert, scientists uncovered something impossible. 3 claws, each nearly 3 feet long, curved.
Massive, terrifying. They didn't know what they belonged to, so they guessed.
This wasn't a monster.
They were wrong.
The claws were too large for any known predator. Too curved for running, too long for practicality. They looked like weapons, but no skull was found, no full skeleton. No context, just fragments. For years, textbooks labeled it a giant killing machine. And for years, no one questioned it. Then more bones appeared, a rib cage, a pelvis, vertebrae, and suddenly, oh my God, look at that. It had a long neck, a heavy barrel-shaped bellow, short hind legs, and feathers. This wasn't a scaled predator. It was something stranger. Therizinosaurus stood around 16 feet tall, nearly 30 feet tall, weighing up to 5 tons. But its proportions didn't make sense. It had the claws of a killer, the stomach of a plant eater, the skeleton of a theropod, and the posture of something unfinished. It looked like evolution stitched it together from spare parts.
Whoa!
It was a Frankenstein's monster of a creature. 3 feet long.
Ooh.
Longer than a katana blade. Too fragile for heavy combat, too sharp to ignore. They weren't built for slashing flesh repeatedly. They were built for precision, to hook, to pull, to reach. But in a defensive swing, they would have been catastrophic. Microscopic tooth analysis revealed something unexpected. The Therizinosaurus wasn't hunting meat. It was eating plants. A 5-ton herbivore, armed like a war machine. Why? Therizinosaurus belonged to the same group as Tyrannosaurus rex. Let that sink in. It was technically part of the theropod family, the most fearsome predators in history. But instead of sharpening teeth, evolution changed direction. It grew a longer neck, a wider gut, a slower metabolism. And those claws? They stayed. Therizinosaurus lived 70 million years ago, a time dominated by giants. Tarbosaurus hunted nearby. Other theropods roamed the forests. It couldn't outrun them. It wasn't built for speed.
So it evolved deterrence. Sometimes survival doesn't mean chasing. It means warning.
Imagine walking through a late Cretaceous forest, trees bending in the wind, and through the fog, you see it. Tall, feathered, silent. Claws hanging like curved shadows. It doesn't charge, it doesn't roar, it just stands there. And that's worse. For decades, scientists misclassified it. They built models around incomplete evidence. They were confident, and they were wrong. And Therizinosaurus became a lesson in how little we truly know. 66 million years ago, the asteroid didn't care how strange you were. Forests burned, skies darkened, food chains collapsed, and the strangest dinosaur ever discovered vanished. Therizinosaurus wasn't terrifying because it hunted. It was terrifying because it existed. It proves something unsettling. Nature doesn't design for our expectations. It experiments. And sometimes, it creates wonders. The experiment looks like a nightmare. We thought dinosaurs were simple. Predator, prey, teeth, claws. But sometimes, the most dangerous silhouette in the forest was just reaching for leaves. This is Jurassic Journeys. And the deeper we dig into the past, the stranger it becomes. But sometimes,
The most dangerous silhouette was just reaching for leaves. The deeper we dig, the stranger it becomes.
past isn't simple. It isn't predictable. And it definitely isn't fully understood. There are creatures we misjudged, worlds we misimagined, and stories we haven't uncovered yet. If one dinosaur could fool science for decades, what else is waiting to be discovered? This is Jurassic Journeys, where we don't just tell dinosaur stories, we uncover the truth buried beneath them. If you want to explore the strangest creatures Earth has ever created, subscribe. The next discovery, because the next discovery might change everything.